For your first unit and for everything that we've discussed, these are the reference books that I want you to refer to. Today, I will be putting soft copies of three publications of three reference books on Google Classroom, so you can take your time and go through that. I will also be sending you a list of reference books that you should have available on Google Books as well. So in case you want to go through that, please take your time, work through it, see what other additional information you can get. Okay. Um, we started with understanding how you're looking at theory of communication. We go into business correspondence and language and writing skills. Okay, we've just finished the concept of communication, so we move on to impact of technology, work through workspace communication, barriers, ethics, listening. We'll move on to case studies, we'll move on to letter writing, we'll move on to other spheres in terms of how we're dealing with theory. Okay, so yeah, this is what we began with: communication, ideas, how they've in terms of verbal, non-verbal, where are we today? um, Definitions, three of them over the years, how they changed. Okay, the idea of eliciting action, removing misunderstanding, coming to an agreement. The first concepts that we discussed, okay, the idea of, obviously, especially in today's topic wherein we're talking about globalization, social and cultural differences need to be kind of accepted. You need to kind of work through them and see how they filter through. Okay, five elements that we discussed. The first, model of communication. Okay, the components, the criticism as to why the Shannon and Weaver model did not hold ground and why it was finally replaced. The interactive model came into space, wherein you're kind of looking at feedback, which came into the loop. Yet criticism has it not been within its dynamic process. Yes, Parth, do you want to ask me something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Your Google Classroom is not made. Hmm. Okay. Let me see what I can do then. Do you all have an unofficial WhatsApp group?
Yeah.
Okay, so what I'll do is that for the time being, at least stuff like the syllabus and the one to reference books, I'll send to, who's the CR of the class? You don't have a CR.
Yes, I have
Okay.
the same.
Okay. Russell, do me a favor. Just say hi to me on WhatsApp and I'll send you the things on WhatsApp and you can just send it on the unofficial group. Cool?
Okay.
Hmm? Yeah. Okay. Um, okay, we went into feedback. I'll just go through the slides. Tell me if there's anything that you need me to explain again, and I'll stop there. Okay. Mhm. This is what we discussed today.